How to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix NSFW content grayed out in Reddit, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all try to go to reddit.com. I'm not using the app, but I'm using the website. If I go to reddit.com and then I tap the three lines option and go to this option known as settings, and then I will just go to account settings. The problem here is actually quite simple. After I visit my account settings, if I go to this profile tab from the top and then I scroll down, here you'll find NSFW, and if this option is basically grayed out, don't worry, we can actually fix that. But for that we have to first of all enable one option. That is, just simply come to this option called feed settings here. Once you come to feed settings, here you can see so mature 18+ content. So all you have to do is just turn this toggle on first of all. Once you turn this toggle on, also make sure to check or uncheck this depending upon what you like. After you do that, now you can come to the profile tab where the NSFW content is located, and now you can just scroll to the right and you'll notice that we can turn on or turn off this little toggle that says NSFW content. This way you'll be able to actually fix NSFW grayed out in Reddit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.